The strategy turned $100,000 into $445,000 on Bitcoin, while Bitcoin itself moved way less over the same period. It's actually free. In 60 seconds, I'll show you exactly what it is. Then I will tell you the one specific reason you still shouldn't put it live on the Monday. Quick clarification most people miss. An indicator draws a line on your chart. A strategy tells you when to enter, when to exit, and comes with a real backtest so you can see what it actually did on years of live market data. Almost everything sold as free online is the first thing. This video is about the second one. The site is NHUGA.com, who publish backtested strategy research in a section called Laboratory, free for anyone to study. India, crypto, forex, US markets, one page covers all four. Okay, here is where it actually gets useful. This one is called Lab 1003. Tested on Bitcoin, the Coinbase feed. Here is how to read it. Time frame and setup first. Backtest runs from January 2022 to August 2026, over 4.5 years. So you are seeing a full bull cycle. The 2022 crash, the 2022 chop, and everything since. Capital $100,000, leverage 10 times. That leverage number matters. Now the numbers. And read them together, not one at a time. Total PNL plus 345%, so $100,000 become $445,000. Max drawdown minus 19%, roughly $66,000 in worst trades. If you couldn't stomach seeing your account down that much for weeks, this strategy isn't for you. This strategy isn't for you regardless of the total number. Win rate is 52%, 129 winners out of 248 trades, barely above a coin flip, which is fine. The profit factor of 1.93 tells you the winner were almost twice as big as the losers on average. That's how a 52% win rate strategy still crosses. Sharpe ratio is 0.496. Honestly, that's on the lower side. It means the returns are real but the ride is bumpy, and strategy with a Sharpe under 1 is going to test your patience. And here is the number most people miss. Strategy outperformance versus buy and hold Bitcoin plus 172%. That means over the same 4.5 years, this strategy beat just holding Bitcoin by more than 172% points. That's the whole reason to trade a system instead of sacking stats. What I would actually do next? Open TradingView tonight, plug in the same symbol and time frame from the site, and run strategy tester myself. First time I did this exercise on another strategy, my numbers were off by 3% because I had forgotten to match commission setting. That's the level of detail that matters. If your reproduced number land within 1% or 2 of the sites, the report is honest. Then paper trade it for at least 3 to 4 weeks. Only then think about live capital. Remember what I said at the start? Don't put this live on Monday. Here is a specific reason. Everything you just saw is just the historical backtested data. And this one uses 10 times leverage. That's what produced the 345%. But leverage cuts both ways. A 19% drawdown on the backtest could be a 25 or 30% drawdown in live conditions once you factor in slippage, funding cost, and the fact that next quarter's volatility isn't last quarter's. Backtest describe the past. They don't predict the Monday. Paper test first every single damn time. Link is NHUGA.com/laboratory, also in the description. Go pull up Lab 1003 and reproduce it in TradingView tonight. That's the first honest step. Next video, I'm taking this exact strategy, putting it on a demo account with real Bitcoin fields for 30 days. No cherry picking. If you want to see whether the backtest actually survives, contact with the live market. Subscribe now.